WhatsApp is a messaging app that allows users to send text messages, audio and video recordings, and other multimedia content to one another over the internet. WhatsApp is free to download and use, but it is owned by Facebook, which generates revenue in a number of ways. One way that Facebook earns money from WhatsApp is through its advertising business. Facebook uses the data that it collects from its users, including information about their interests and online behavior, to show them targeted ads. These ads are displayed on Facebook's platforms, including WhatsApp, and the company earns money each time a user clicks on one of these ads. Another way that Facebook earns money from WhatsApp is by charging businesses to use the platform. In 2019, Facebook introduced WhatsApp Business, which allows businesses to communicate with customers and manage their interactions on the app. Businesses can use the app to send automated messages, manage customer inquiries, and track the success of their campaigns. Facebook charges businesses for access to these features, and this generates revenue for the company. Overall, Facebook earns money from WhatsApp through advertising and by charging businesses for access to certain features on the app.